Hello friends, welcome back again to my channel, and this is another video where I came up with another product. So this is the product. Yes, it is. This is the product I came up with. So it came from Flipkart, as you can see. So this is a parcel where I've ordered two perfume combo Bella Vita. Let's see what inside this. This is a good packaging. Every time I ordered Bella Vita, it's also came up with a good packaging system. Nice package. So let's see what inside this. From here, yes. So this is Flipkart packaging, and into this there is Bella Vita. There is nothing else. Bella Vita packaging, good and cute packaging. As you all know, Bella Vita always focused on good packaging. Oh, here generic name. What is inside this? White oud and honey oud. Okay, manufacturing 24 August. Okay, this is Bella Vita, and here it is listed the manufacturing date and batch number. Okay, so actually the packaging is little bit tampered here. Can you see that? It's little bit tampered. I think you will going to see this little bit tempered. No problem, no problem. So this is simple bottle of fragrance. So this is honey oud and white oud. Okay, luxury perfume combo. Let's cut the package from here. Yes, so this is the package, Bella Vita. This is the package, and yes, it's coming out. Yeah, so this is it. Honey oud and white oud. Honey oud and white oud. Wow, nice. Bottle is very much cute and honey type of cute bottle. Isn't it look cute? I think it's very much cute. So yeah, it is. I'll taste it after a few minutes. So assiding it. Okay, here is the white oud 20 ml bottle. It's also cute, but this is pure white 24 to 27. Okay, this is very much cute, both of the bottle. Yes, very much cute bottle. Cutie. Okay, so I'll try this. I'll first try the honey oud, this one. Nice, sweet, very much sweet and honey type of fragrance it is. This honey type of fragrance. And let's check this one. This is also amazing. Why are they also amazing? Okay, guys. So this is the two bottle I have purchased. So let me please comment in the section if you want a review video for these two bottle. Thank you, thank you, thank you very much, guys.